Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of real analysis asked in CSIR 2022. So our question is, find the limit of 1 plus root 2 plus cube root 3 plus and so on cube root n upon n. Here we have to find the limit of the sequence. We use the Cauchy first theorem to find this. What Cauchy first theorem said? Limit n tends to infinity, an is equals to L, then limit n tends to infinity, an upon n is equals to L. This is Cauchy first theorem said. So here, what is an? First we have to find the an of the sequence. What is the an of the sequence? An is equals to 1 plus root 2 plus cube root of 3 plus and so on cube root of n, which is equals to n to the power 1 upon n. This is an. So we have to find the limit of this an. Limit n tends to infinity, n to the power 1 upon n is equals to 1. So if limit of an is equals to 1, then the limit of this sequence is also equals to 1, which implies what? Limit n tends to infinity, an upon n is equals to 1. So our option B is correct. So by using Cauchy first theorem, we can find the limit of this sequence. So this is a solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.